Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Portmore becoming a parish. Now we are on Mandela Highway, and this is where they're going to be building the access ramp from Mandela into Portmore. Now Mandela is very busy, and one of the reasons why it's so busy is because of the traffic going to Portmore. Now Portmore has been growing over the years, and for some time now they've talked about it becoming the 15th parish of Jamaica. So recently the Prime Minister announced that the bill to make Portmore the 15th parish is drafted and ready to go, and they're going to table it in Parliament. But it won't be passed until after the local government elections, which are due by February 28th of this year. So we're going to go through the article from the Prime Minister, and that will give more information as to what's going on with Portmore. Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness says while legislation to make Portmore Jamaica's 15th parish has been drafted, the government will not have it approved in Parliament before the local government elections. The elections, which were last held in November 2016, are slated to be held no later than February 28, 2024. Our bill is ready to go to Parliament. We were ready for a little while now. We will not take it to Parliament. We will probably table it, but we will not pass it because there is no way that we could seek to establish a parish and it be clouded in political accusations. No, we would never do that, and I want the people of Portmore to be assured of that, he said. The Prime Minister made the comment at the official launch of the $4.4 billion Portmore Resilience Park in St. Catherine on January 18. Concerns have been raised by the opposition regarding the naming of Portmore as Jamaica's 15th parish. Mr. Holness explained that the government's intention to create a new political administration for Portmore has nothing to do with trying to gain a political advantage. The Prime Minister said the decision is necessitated by the need for proper administration of the affairs and a rapidly developing municipality. Mr. Holness said there is a standard process engaged for changing political geographical boundaries. Any change in the physical boundaries of a political geographical area will result in a change in voting outcomes, quite possibly, but that does not mean that they should not change political geographical boundaries. Indeed, there is a standard process engaged in a routine way by the Election Commission, he said. Alright, so that is the latest on the Portmore becoming a parish. So, there's been a lot of talk about Portmore becoming a parish and the election or the changes to the electoral boundaries. But you can't hold back progress. Portmore is growing, and it has the third largest population in Jamaica, outside of Kingston and Spanish Town. Maybe it has even surpassed Spanish Town now. But if it hasn't, it will, because Portmore is growing. There are so many housing developments on the way in Portmore. A lot of infrastructure is being put in. The government is, as we said at the beginning of the video, building an access ramp from Mandela into Portmore. They are widening Grange Lane so you can get out into and out of Portmore easier. The government came up with a CapEx program where they are going to spend billions of dollars to fix 6 roads. And 3 of them are in Portmore. So Portmore is growing, the population is growing, and it's necessary because right now Portmore is managed through the Spanish Town Municipal Corporation or the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, and that includes the management of Spanish Town, which is a very large city, and Portmore, along with other areas in St. Catherine. So it's good. And I mean, there is no right time or wrong time. It's good that they wait until after the election so that they didn't. But I think it's time Portmore becomes a parish. Actually, it's taking too long. It should have been done already. But nothing happens before its time. So we look forward to Portmore becoming the 15th parish, and this will be the first parish created in an independent Jamaica. All the other parishes were created when Jamaica was a colony. This is the first parish created by an independent Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.